Be the one who embraces the ugly, the miserable. Be the one who welcomes hard work and the grind. Don't shy away from pain. Don't fear the sacrifices, even if it means shedding some blood. Be that warrior in the garden, steadfast and unshaken. Let the world rage around you, but stand tall. Be a strong man, a good man, the kind who remains unyielding when everything else falls apart. There's a quote I love. Most men lead lives of quiet desperation. It resonates deeply because it's true. I've been that man. Trapped in a world you can't wait to escape, just waiting to run. But here's the truth. The only reason I am who I am today is that I took the leap when it mattered most. I was 21, broke, and had my car repossessed. It was hell. But taking the risky path is the only way to escape that quiet desperation. The safe path. It traps you in mediocrity, in a life that feels like slow death. Your family is looking for someone right now. They need a pillar. Someone who can weather the storm. Be that person. In hard times, make sure when they look around, they find you. These are the moments that define you. If you want to be exceptional, you can't fit in. Fitting in means living with internal conflict because you're not truly yourself. Being exceptional means facing external conflict because you stand out. Either way, there's discomfort. So choose. When your friends say, "You've changed," know this they mean, you've grown. Hold your head high, even in failure. Never let anyone see you broken. If you take a loss, take it with your chest out and your pride intact. Everything in life is about growth. Every stumble, every misstep, it's all part of the process. Winners show up. They're not afraid to lose because they understand the bigger picture. Out of 100 men in battle, 10 shouldn't even be there. 80 are just targets, and 9 do most of the work. But there's always one, a true warrior. Be that one. Life isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about embracing them. To be tough, you need to face hardships. To be patient, you have to endure delays. Growth has a price, and it's paid in time, pain, and effort. When you're 80, looking back on your life, what do you want to see? A man who settled for comfort, or a man who paid the price to become extraordinary? You are the one person in this universe you have full power to change. If you're not comfortable being alone with yourself, fix it. Decide who you want to be and become that person. Most people sabotage their potential by blaming others or making excuses. But the truth is, if you haven't achieved what you want, it's because you haven't earned it yet. And that's okay, as long as you're willing to change. Fear is self-imposed. It's an illusion. Face it, and you'll realize how small it really is. Behind every fear is the person you're meant to become. Every time you confront your fears, you gain confidence and unlock more of your potential. What's hard is waking up every day, giving 100%, and seeing no immediate results. It's grueling, but greatness demands perseverance. Keep going, even when it feels like nothing is changing. That's the grind. Normality is death disguised as living. Break out of the mediocrity. Push yourself to see what you're truly capable of. Taste success, and you'll crave more. Success isn't about defeating others. It's about outgrowing them. As you rise, their opinions shrink into irrelevance. People may copy you, but they'll never replicate your authenticity. Everything you do counts. Every book, every late night, every early morning. And if you feel unworthy of your dreams, admit it and start working to change. Better to know you're not ready and improve than to fake it and stay stuck. There will come a day when being average becomes unbearable. Maybe it's losing your job or watching someone less talented achieve what you've always wanted. That moment will light a fire within you. Greatness has always been inside you, waiting to be unwrapped. But unwrapping it requires pain, commitment, and courage. Yes, you'll face setbacks. Yes, it will be hard. But once you start, you'll never look back. Thank your lucky stars when that moment arrives. It means you're finally alive. You have everything you need to become extraordinary. Believe in it. Work for it. And never stop until you've achieved it.